In African tradition, an individual's home is regarded as a sacred place and it is where all the rituals are performed. Though some rituals could be performed outside the home for specific reasons in places like certain rivers, forests, and mountains, the family members first gather and perform certain activities at home. A home is the basic structure in all activities that are performed for each individual and the clan which the individual belongs to. A home is not just infrastructure. It is a place which indicates the roots of the siblings and a broader kinship. It is a place where members of the kinship claim as the basis of their spiritual connectivity and their spiritual development. In African tradition, there is a different understanding in the significance of a house and that of a home. A house refers to a building where people stay, and in many cases it refers to the Western-style square or rectangular house. A house can be sold to another owner, but a home can never be sold. A home refers to that infrastructure with a broader nature which involves the social, physical, economical, and spiritual environment where people of the same genealogy live. A home is always owned by a collective, never by an individual. As an infrastructure, a home consists of three sacred places, which are the house or houses, cattle kraal, and the space between these two sacred places, Ingundla. The home is the fundamental place of worship. No other place is more sacred than a home. Though a home may consist of many huts or houses, there is one special hut that is called the main hut, Indlu Enkulu. It is in this hut where the clan members convene during the caucus, Ibunga, and also during the process of ritual performance. It is also in this hut that the newborn baby and the mother, Mdlezane, are secluded during the seclusion period. They will be in seclusion until the umbilical cord, Inkaba, falls off. The main hut is divided into three sides. The left side and the right side, being separated by the fireplace, Iziko. The three sides therefore function as follows. The left side from the door. This is the side where males sit according to seniority. The eldest male sits next to the entrance on the left, then the others towards the far end. The right side from the door. This is the side where women sit according to seniority. The eldest female sits next to the entrance on the right, then the others towards the far end. The side opposite the door on the other side of the fireplace. And this is the place where all religious symbols, utensils, and the carcass of the animal slaughtered for the ritual are placed.